Welcome back to my another new video. So today in this video I would like to show you the condition of our local area. Actually in this morning I have come to a field. Actually I have come to the field for enjoying this morning and practicing my English. Actually I have come here to visit this place and enjoy the beauty. So actually in this time I'm recording myself for my practicing purpose. Actually I'm a English learner. Recently I have decided to learn English language. That's why I practice my English every day. So as you can see the condition of our village area. Look, this is a foggy morning. As you can see back of me and around me, you can see there are so many fog spread everywhere, and I'm walking in the field. So as you can see back of me, this is a mustard field. As you can see, actually this is my uncle's mustard field, and I would like to show you my another uncle's potato field. Look here, this is my another uncle's potato field, and back of me, look over there, that is my grandfather. Actually he has come here to visit his mustard field and potato field. Actually he is a farmer, and now I'm going to see my mustard seed field in this time and practicing my English, as you can see. So in this side I'd like to show you the garlic field. Actually this is my another uncle garlic field. Look here, there are some garlic plants, and over there are some onion plant. Look over there, there is a onion field, and in this time I'm going to see my mustard field. As you can see, I'm walking along this bank. Look, I'm walking along this bank, actually next to this drain. So I'd like to show you a paddy seed field. Look over here, this is a paddy seed field. A farmer has sown here some paddy for seed, and finally I have come to my mustard seed field. As you can see, this is our mustard seed field. Look over there, I have only 2 mustard seed field here, and you can see the condition of our mustard seed plant. Look here, there are some mustard seed plant. Look, I hope you are watching this plant. Look, there are some mustard seed plants over here. Mustard seed মানে হচ্ছে সরিষা, mustard মানে হচ্ছে সরিষা, and I'm here for practicing my English language, and you can see the condition of my mustard seed field. So actually this is so dry field, and we need to water in this field. So I'm making this video for my practice purpose. Actually I'm an English learner, so thanks for watching this video, and I'd like to say that if you want to learn English language, of course you have to practice regularly, because without practice you can't speak in English. Although you know everything of English grammar, English vocabulary, but you have to practice every day if you want to speak in English fluently. So bye bye.